The Supply88 piano wire tires allow technicians to easily store and organize various gauges of piano wire for repairing and replacing broken strings in the field. Each tire is clearly marked with a wire gauge number and stores up to 3 ounces of wire. The unique design securely holds your wire and prevents it from uncoiling. This allows you to work hands-free for measuring and cutting your wire. After cutting, use pliers to form a small loop on the end of the wire to make it easier to grab next time, and place the remainder of the wire back into the tire. The piano wire tires stack onto a 12-inch tall, clear storage tube. This tube can be used to hold tools or parts. The piano wire tires can be purchased preloaded with 1.5 ounces of wire on each tire, or unloaded if you prefer to load them with your own wire. Be sure to view the video on our website demonstrating the fast and easy method for loading wire into the tires. Each set comes with a lightweight carrying bag. All wire gauges from 12 through 22 are available. You can choose how many of those sizes you want your set to include. Visit supply88.com for more information.